Now, in next few video lessons, let us try to understand about the interest-focused questions on the concept of alcohols, phenols and ethers from organic chemistry of class 12 or second PUC. Now let us look into question number 1. 2 moles of ethanol are burned. This is a point of focus for us. 2 moles of ethanol are burned. Then what should we do? The amount of carbon dioxide obtained will be. So we need to find out how much of carbon dioxide is being liberated on burning ethanol, that is by subjecting ethanol to the process of combustion. Now option A tells, is it 132 grams of carbon dioxide that will be obtained, or is it 44 grams of carbon dioxide will be obtained, or option C 88 grams of carbon dioxide is obtained, or option D 176 grams of carbon dioxide is obtained. Dear students, when we have such questions, we can easily arrive at the answer provided if we write the balanced chemical equation for the combustion of the given constituents. So our starting material is ethanol. It is subjected to the process of combustion. That means it's burning in presence of oxygen of the air. Whenever the hydrocarbons are present in any organic compound, that means carbon and hydrogen are present. When they are subjected to the process of combustion, the major products formed will be always carbon dioxide and water. So this will be a skeletal equation. Now we should write a balanced chemical equation so that we will be able to obtain at the correct answer. Now in order to balance, we need to balance all the constituents on our LHS and RHS. So therefore, let us see if this would be a balanced equation. So there are 4 carbon here, so I am writing 4 there, then 6. So now let us check if all the constituents are balanced. There are 4 carbon on our LHS, there are 4 carbon on our RHS also. And then how many hydrogen do we see here? 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So therefore 6 into 2, 12 hydrogen, that's also balanced. Now let's look into oxygen. There are 2 oxygen here and then 12 oxygen. 2 plus 12, that becomes 14 oxygen. So here it is 8, 8 plus 6, 14. So therefore we have written a balanced chemical equation involving combustion of ethanol. Now the focus point is the amount of carbon dioxide that will be obtained. So we know the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. How many such moles are there? 4 into 44. So how much will this be? 4 into 44. It comes to 176 grams. So how much of carbon dioxide will be obtained by burning 2 moles of ethanol, because they have already given us 2 moles, so we need to write that only here. So therefore, how much of carbon dioxide is obtained? 176 grams of carbon dioxide is obtained. So option D. What is the answer for this question? Option D is the correct answer, which gives the value as 176 grams.